Hey guys, it's Yani here,
I'm Fabio.
and we're back with another video. As you can see by the title, we're going to be video calling all our fans. But before we begin, we would like to thank Xness for sponsoring this video. And here's the clip.
What is Forex? Forex is a market where people buy and sell currencies. Let's replace US dollars and euros with juice and water. One glass of juice cost 2 bottles of water. You had water and bought lots of juice. But today all the juice was sold out at the festival, so its price increased twice. Thus now you can sell your juice and get a profit. That's how Forex works too, but with currencies. You predict the future price of the currencies. When you're right, the difference in price is your profit. That's how people make money trading Forex. Learn how to trade. Join Xness now.
Behind every successful trader is an honest broker, so follow the link in the description box and get started with Xness. Thank you Xness once again for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead with our video, which is calling our fans. I'm scared.
I am so excited. I'm so damn excited for this.
We're using Fabi's phone again because he has iPhone 10 and I don't.
Face recognition. Video call you. We're video calling you guys.
I hope you guys will answer. Okay guys, so this is my Instagram. I'm gonna be calling you from my Instagram, so please answer.
Who are you, like a real consenter? We'll call you back.
What I'm gonna do now is gonna call someone who been sending us messages.
Yes.
Because those are the true fans that we understand that they will pick up.
So this is Sarah?
This is Yolo Jomi. Sarah. Okay, let's do it. Hold it, Poppy, because I can hide.
No, you need to be in it. It's so funny that it's not ringing. I don't understand.
Why they're not answering? We're gonna upload this video without people answering.
Just us calling random.
Yeah, just us. Didn't join.
Aww. You know, they're probably working too. Some of them.
This one, she's active now. She's online.
Who is she?
Oh, wait, we should know the name
We
first.
should
We should know the name first. We don't know her. Wait, hold on. Chastine Rariela.
Justine.
Just say Chastine. Okay. I'm gonna hide.
Why do you have to hide?
Picking up.
It's ringing. Because the rest was just connecting. It's actually ringing.
But she's not picking up. Why is she not picking up? No one's picking up.
Is she in school?
Oh, she didn't join. But she's active now. Who's this? Donna Joy. Hi, Donna. Mr. Donna? It's ringing.
It's ringing again. Let's see. Oh my god!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi, we're filming a video. We're filming a video.
Okay, and then?
Just calling
What are
our...
we supposed to do?
Nothing. Just calling our followers and saying hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you at work?
I'm not
Where are you from
My
in
boss will kill me if they see this video. Charot.
Where are you from in Pinas?
Balanga City, Bataan.
Ah, Bataan. Bisaya ako.
Yan. Tagalog lang ako.
Tagalog ka? Okay.
Naintindihan niyo ba tayo?
Hindi. Hindi.
Kumusta po? Mabuti.
Okay naman, ikaw kamusta?
Just bien.
No. He thinks you're speaking in Spanish. He speaks Spanish.
I don't know Tagalog.
Yeah,
I
Tagalog.
don't know how to speak Spanish also.
That's okay. Well, nice talking to you.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi everyone. Hey. Hello to myself.
Yes.
Thank you for answering.
Bye.
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 She's like,
Arun, that's so
She's like,
sweet.
hello?
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Aw, she answered. Oh my god. Okay, let's contact another
We
one.
only have one.
This is so nice.
Mirasol.
This is so good actually because then we know our fans, our
I know who we can
viewers.
call. Anthony Sanchez.
Stop calling it.
Shook it to me.
We should check the name first.
You are the one.
Mirasol.
Mirasol. Okay, go
But I
for
don't
it.
think she's online though.
Can you imagine random people calling you?
I know. Oh. Okay, nobody's picking up. Let's go try the next one. It's ringing. She's probably at work.
Oh! She picked up.
Hello?
Hi!
Hello, Karen.
Hi!
We're making a video calling our fans to say hi.
videos already.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Where do you?
I'm so happy. I can't believe you're calling us.
Oh my god! Thank you. We're happy you picked up because this video would be a fail. If you didn't.
Oh
What?
my gosh, my heart is pounding. I
Oh,
can't believe it.
where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines, but I've been living here in Illinois.
Oh, you're in Illinois.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we've been chatting. Yeah.
Oh my god. Hello, Fabio.
Say hi to the vlog. You're gonna be in the vlog.
Oh my gosh. Do I? Hi, everyone.
Yeah, just say hi.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, it's probably nighttime at your place right now, right?
Yes. Also
Oh, okay.
there, right?
Yeah,
It's
same
right
time.
now.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. I can't breathe.
Oh my
I
god.
thought it was my husband calling me. I can't believe it.
Well, we're
Aw.
glad we made you happy.
I can't believe you're actually talking to me. Oh my god.
Aw.
You make me cry.
Alrighty.
Thank you for picking up.
Oh,
Have a-
thank you. You're very much welcome. I'm so happy you made my day.
Aw.
Aw.
My night. It's already nighttime.
Have a
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful evening.
night.
You too, you guys. I love you.
Oh,
Bye.
bye. Oh, I like this video. Oh my gosh.
This is such a good
I wanna
video.
Thank you for picking up. Okay, who's next? Let's see.
Let's call Tony Labrusca.
Stop calling celebrities that.
What's her name?
Oh, what's her name? Ven.
Have an angel.
It's contacting.
Ven.
I don't think she's connected to the internet.
So stupid.
She's not picking up. Next.
That's my cousin.
Oh, that's your cousin. Is it a he or a she?
I don't know. Said? We said?
Yeah.
Said we said.
Shed or set?
Oh!
Hello.
Hello. Is it?
Hello!
Hi.
Hello, Manami.
It's for the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Is it nighttime there?
It's in Toronto. He's in Toronto.
Oh, it's in Toronto. Sorry for waking
Turn on
you.
the lights.
Oh my god, sorry for waking
Wait,
you.
wait, wait. No, I'm not actually sleeping. I'm just like watching YouTube. I'm actually watching your videos.
We're making a video of calling our followers. So
I'm just gonna turn on the light.
hi. You're gonna be in the vlog. I hope that's okay. Oh wait, no. Didn't we meet?
Huh?
Didn't we meet? Have we met?
Yeah, Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Jollibee! Oh my
We
god!
met at the Jollibee.
Your hair grew.
Your hair grew. Is that all yours?
Wow.
Of course.
Extension, Zai.
Dili Jai.
No, I'm happy you answered. Otherwise, this vlog will be a fail.
Oh my god, I'll be in your vlog?
Yeah, you're in the
Yes.
vlog right now. Just say hi.
You should have notified me. Otherwise, I should.
Oh, it's
Like
okay.
shit.
You look okay.
You look beautiful.
You look fine.
I don't want to look okay. I want to
We
look-
haven't showered. If that makes you feel better.
Shower and turn off the lights and watch your videos.
Aw. We're glad you picked up. Have a good night.
You too. Bye.
Bye, love you.
Okay, who's next? We're hitting the people that have been messaging us. It's nice to know like the faces of our
I know.
followers. There's a lot of girls. There's
Didn't join. Gerson?
Jerson.
It's ringing.
Why am I so scared all the time?
It's so funny when it's ringing and we're like,
He's not
"Wait,
answering."
We don't know what's happening.
Oh, he didn't join.
Tinker.
Louis. Tinkerville.
Tinkerville.
Tinker. No, but the sound, yes. But can you imagine that one
Probably.
person who picked up and she was at work?
Yeah.
I love how.
Let's do at least 5.
I love how people put their age on their Instagram bio.
And I like the ones that put single.
Single.
Because obviously the
And you have those deep ones like Taurus, Scorpio. Oh my god, they're not answering.
Honeygammy. Hi, Honeygammy.
I don't know if it's I'm so scared.
Next time we should post in the community.
We're
Keep
calling
your
you.
Instagram open because we're calling
Or
you.
comment below if you want to be called. Them to be able.
Yeah, because like mine doesn't allow me for notification unless I have.
Oh, see? She's been
She's not
messaging
online.
us about Manadine.
She's not online though.
Ringing.
Ringing. So if it says ringing, it's probably like...
It's on.
Yeah.
She's connected. Stop burping.
I had dinner, I don't know.
Oh, she didn't join. His
Hey,
recent
RG.
His recent photos are him graduating. RG.
RG boy. Connecting means...
Contacting.
Oh, is it?
Hannah Arnold. We could message Hannah Arnold.
You keep going in people.
Burns. Is her name Burns? Is her name Burns? Burns. It's called in here. There must be. It's called in here.
Can I pick the next one, please?
Okay, go. See, Moira and I have been talking.
Alex.
Axel. Oh my god.
Oh, Axel.
You're like my brother.
Axel, you said?
No one's answering you guys.
You so ugly. I will put down the phone if I... We look desperate, like...
We do look desperate for attention.
Oh my god!
Hi!
Hello!
She ended
Oh,
it!
she ended it.
Oh,
She ended our story.
Oh my gosh! Fabio. She's not picking up.
Oh, maybe she didn't want to reply.
But she said OMG.
Call back. Someone says call back.
Someone said call back. Okay, after Pia.
It's okay. Just let it be.
Wait.
Oh, there he is.
Hi! Hi, is your name Pia?
Yes.
Hi!
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Currently at work.
Oh, it's okay. Say hi sa vlog.
Hello po.
Hi!
Oh my God.
Tagalog ka or Bisaya?
Tagalog po.
Oh, Tagalog.
Kumusta
Tagalog.
po?
Okay lang.
Thank you for picking up.
Sorry, na-shock ako kanina.
No, don't be shocked. Nashock kami na nag-pick up ka.
Lumabas po ako sa station ko.
Oh, really? She stepped out from her work. So, where do you work?
In Pampanga. Yung PPO.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Nice.
We're just calling a few of you to say hi.
Thank you for picking up.
I'm shaky.
Oh, no. Hoping to meet you soon. We're going to Philippines next year.
Yes, so
really?
we'll meet you in person next time.
Taga saan ka?
I'm currently in Pampanga.
Pampanga? Malayo ba yan sa Manila?
2 to 3 hours. Pero you should come kasi maraming masarap na pagkain dito.
Oh, sige, punta kami ng Pampanga, ha?
Sige
Bisita
po.
kami. Sige, bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Oh, she's so
Yani, you
sweet!
cannot speak Filipino though.
Oh, I'm
I don't
sorry.
understand fucking shit.
Fabio's mad. Wait, who's this one again? RG.
RG.
Okay, let's call RG again. Now they're all calling back.
Yeah, I could hear the phone there.
I
ringing.
know,
It's
wanted
gonna
to
be a call
back.
center now.
It's a call. My Instagram's gonna be call center now. Hi, emergency. How can I help you? And now he's not answering back.
Oh.
No, that's you.
But why is it in my
I'm
face?
shy.
Be in it.
Oh my God, we're calling you again. Pick up. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Are you guys filming?
Yes.
Yes.
Say hi to the vlog.
Great. I'm RG.
Yes.
Hi,
RG. Say hi to the vlog.
Watch your video, especially Binibini Pilipinas stuff.
Oh, thank
Oh.
you. Where are you from in the Philippines?
I'm here, nasa America po ako ngayon.
Ah, okay.
Nasa Norfolk, Virginia. Pero sa Philippines po, like, I've been through like a lot. Like, I've been through the 3 islands.
Oh, nice. Fabio knows the islands. Do you know the islands?
Don't test me on the spot.
Thank you for watching. We just wanted to say hi to our subscribers.
Thank you, good night.
Good
night. Bye.
Why is it so stressful?
Do you wanna do just one more?
One
Let's
more.
go Jollibee. And say, where's my bees? No, you're so.
I'm not oily. Am I oily, guys?
Disgusting. No, you're so oily for real. Leave me alone.
You're not oily? Wow.
I am,
Fabio.
but I don't come there like this in your face. I stay in my own personal.
My own.
And you're sweating on my legs. What's going on with you?
I'm not sweating. What the heck? I hope you enjoyed the video. We definitely did. This is something that I don't think I would have done. I didn't think I would have done in this channel. Because it's just scary. Like, yes, they are subscribers. They've been messaging. But to me, it's like me calling them. I don't know what to expect. And it's so... I don't know.
You're so dramatic over just a phone call. Like, what
No,
do
I'm
you
being
want to
honest.
expect?
I'm being honest. I didn't know what to expect.
Expect. It's not spec. What's your English today?
Oh, bro, France. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed it. And for those people who didn't pick up,
Sorry, you missed the call.
no, what do you expect that they want to talk to us?
Oh, you don't want to talk to
They
us.
probably don't want to talk to us. So
Oh.
you're very presumptuous.
And we want to thank again Xness for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. And check the link below.
We'll see you all next time.
Bye.